9 facts you probably didn't know about Bengal cats. 1. Their coat sparkles. Sunlight makes their fur shimmer like jewels. 2. Part wild feline. They descend from Asian leopard cats and have fierce energy. 3. Masters of agility. They leap, twist, and land like gymnasts. 4. They chirp. Bengals trill, chirp, and make tiny twittering noises. 5. Water is fun. They love playing with dripping faucets and shallow pools. 6. Night hunters. They are more active after dark, stalking toys and shadows. 7. Puzzle geniuses. They need mental challenges to stay sharp. 8. Expressive body language. Tail flicks, ears, and posture tell their story. 9. Bold personalities. Confident, curious, and energetic, they demand attention.